Friday, last day before the half term. You can have a week off, relax and chill out. So go through the couple of things for maths. First question, fraction divided by fraction. Again, it's the same thing. All right, keep times and flip. Okay, that's all you need to worry about. Keep the first one. You notice how I write it out as well. If you don't write it out or try and squeeze it in, then you can make mistakes. So it takes no time just to jot this down. I flip this, and there we go. 7 times 3, 21. 4 times 2, 8. Equals 8, 16, 24. 2 wholes and 5 eighths. Okay, practice it, make sure you jot it down, go from there. Now, problem solving and challenges this week. The challenges get progressively harder. So the first one you probably would be able to do in your head. I hope you can. And they'll get a little bit harder as you go. Now I'm going to take this one, which is kind of an example of one of, I think, challenge number 5. Okay, now you have to work out this angle here. So the key thing with all this is to jot down all of your knowledge. Okay, now these are all squares, badly drawn, but they're squares. So I know all of these angles are all 90 degrees. Okay, so I could fill them all in. Perfect. I also know that these are all identical shapes and they make a 2, 3, 4, 5, a regular pentagon in the middle. So I know, or I will be able to work out what angle this is here, because it's a regular pentagon, so all of the angles will be the same internally. Now if you remember, a triangle was 180, 360 for a 4-sided shape. So we just add another, so it's 540 internal angles of a pentagon. So 540, share that into 5, which gives you 108. So these are all 108s. So again, I just fill them in. I haven't really thought about the X yet. And when I get here, I actually look and I think, well, here's 90, here's 90, here's 108. I know that a complete turn is 360. So I've got 90, 90 and 108. So I've only got this one left. So I'm going to think, right, let's add these up. Okay, so then effectively I've got this X. I know this angle here. 90 add 90 is 180. Add 100, 280, so it's 288. So if that's 288, I just need to do 360, take away 288. Okay, which again, what I'll do is add 12 to 300 and then 60. 60 add 12 is 72. So X, 72 degrees. Okay. I've made a lot of jottings, and that's the important thing when you're trying to solve a problem. Jot down each little bit, draw a picture, and then put the information that you know about shapes or whatever it is on the piece of paper, because then you don't have to remember it. Okay, then you leave your brain and the space in your brain to try and solve the problems. Okay, enjoy, have a great half term.